Update from the Clay Ashland Bridge construction outside of Monrovia, 16 kilometers away. And we are here. Last week, the construction kicked off for this iconic historic bridge. Clay Ashland, like we said in our previous video about this bridge, this area is predominantly occupied by descendants of American Liberians in the 1800s. Today, the bridge here connecting this area to several other places across Montserrat County collapsed more than 5 years ago. Under the Making Montserrat Great Again project spread across the county, Senator Saah has taken the initiative to put smiles on the faces of the people of Clay Ashland. The bridge construction is currently ongoing. As you can see, several young people from communities have come not just to witness this milestone in the community, but to also participate and take ownership for this place. So we're going to be talking to them and the senator about the challenges faced as they continue to do this job in this raining season. It's raining heavily in Liberia now as about this time. When the bridge will be finally completed and dedicated or commissioned for the people of Clay Ashland, we're going to be hearing from the Senator Saah of Montserrat County.
I mean, it's a difficult task, but we have to do it. You can see how difficult it is. You can see the kind of time and energy we're going to spend here. We're not even talking about how much materials that we need to send. But the main issue is this bridge. We must agree that it have to be done.
Wow, we must agree that it has to be done. So, Senator, just tell us some of the challenges your people who are on the site telling you.
Well, presently, we have volunteers from other communities who have come to help. And then we have the host community bringing in young people to also help to do the work. The challenge is that the bridge is being done during the rainy season. And during this rainy season, is also important that you do the bridge at the rainy season period. Then you will see all of the problems. So the bridge is going to be 30 by 50 feet. 50 feet, the length will be 50 feet. And then the wideness will be 30, so that you will have two cars passing at the same time. And we have to dig more than 15 feet deep on, so that we can meet up with the reservoir, so that when the base is handled, we expect more trucks to be coming. Any type of, all different type of cars, we expect them to come. So one of our major challenges is the water, the control of the water. I mean, I have spent here 2 nights. The other day I left from here 5 a.m. in the morning to make sure that we get this done. While working, the entire wall collapsed, and it has been a challenge. And the good thing is, our young people haven't given up. They all believe that this can be done. They all believe that we can get it done. So this is why you can see them now. They are inside the water digging, making sure that we conquer it. I want to see when we will conquer this bridge. I want to see myself walking to on top of the bridge, even driving on top of this bridge and cutting the ribbon. That is why I continue to visualize now, to make sure to see that we see that success story. I'm hoping for that day. But as if it is now, it's a challenge. And the question is, will we get there, or when will we get there? That is the major challenge. But I have not given up.
You are in the ring with your guys.
Mm-hmm.
You are in the ring. Just tell us that you are very serious about this project, and we are around campaign period. Somebody will say this is a campaign, project that senator is doing in our community.
I would not call this campaign. This is life-saving project. This is solving an old age problem. Since 10 years, we coming to build this bridge now. It is not about campaign. But I remember I visited the US. A citizen of Clash Island walked to me and asked me, when will this bridge be built? I told them we're going to build it one day. And when is that day? That day is now. You talk about the rain. How about those in the water? You have to motivate them. We have to be under the rain. This work will not be done if we don't sit and work under the rain. Even me that is supervising, if I don't stay under the rain to supervise this work will not be done. This motivate the workers, the young people, that we can make it.
prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Hear the word. Liberia, sweet land of liberty, we prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Hear the word. Liberia, sweet land of liberty, we prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Hear the word. Liberia, sweet land of liberty, we prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Hear the word. You are lifted, amen, hallelujah. Liberia, you are lifted, amen, we prophesy to you, you are lifted, amen, hallelujah. You are lifted, amen, hallelujah. Kingdom shall come to your life.